Is from a point on a bridge across a river, the angle of depression of the banks on opposite sides of the river are 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. Okay, that you can see here the angle of depression is given as 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. The question is, if the bridge is at a height of 3 meter, if the bridge is at a height of 3 meter, then what will be, so this length will be 3 meters. What will be the width of the river? So for width of the river, what you need here, this is the river portion. Okay, so here the bridge has been constructed. So this AB will be giving you the width of the river, right? So you need, AB means you need AD and DB. Now from one triangle you can find out what is AD, because here 30 degree angle of depression, this is also 30 degree, right? And here you have 45 degree, so this will be giving you 45 degree. So from this right triangle you can find out this side, that is AD, and from this triangle, right triangle, you can find out what is BD and then add them to get the width of the river. Okay, so from triangle PDA, what you will get, you have opposite side and you need adjacent side, so you can use tan of the angle. Tan 30 degree is equal to PD by AD. What is PD given as? 3. So 3 by AD. Now what is tan 30 degree? Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3 is equal to 3 by AD. So what you will get AD as? AD will be, how much you will get AD? 3 root 3 meters. Now you need DB. So for that you consider the triangle PDB, and tan 45 degree will give you, why? Because this is again opposite side by adjacent side you need. So tan 45 will be again PD by BD, which will give you, PD is given to be 3 and tan 45 is 1. So 1 is equal to 3 by BD, which will give you BD as 3 meters. Now the thing which you need is AB, which is the width of the river. So AB is equal to AD plus BD, which will give you 3 root 3 plus 3, or 3 can be taken out, then you will get root 3 plus 1 inside this much of meters. So which option is correct? Option, which one is correct? 3 into root 3 plus 1. Option D is the answer. Triangle means you can just simply write or take the option. You need not think anything. So it is right angled triangle from the figure itself. Okay. Next subdivision is in triangle APD. What is tan 30 degree? In triangle APT, what is tan 30 degree? And according to the options only you have to give the answer. AD by DP, or so it will be PD by AD, which will be option C. Okay, fourth one is the value of tan 45 degree. See, they have asked what is the value of tan 45 degree. That also you have done in the first subdivision. So this is more easy than the first subdivision, and the answer is, I need not give you the option. Tan 45 degree is 1. Yes, it is. No, the options are given as the values. Okay, 0, 2, 1 and 1 by root 3. These are the values given. So you have to write the value, which one will be coming here. Okay, it will be tan 45 is equal to 1. Okay. The value of tangent in any right triangle, in right triangle you have the definition of tangent as opposite side by hypotenuse when you consider the triangle. So here what will be that? Opposite side is, yes, perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base. So which is the option? Option A. Okay. Let's find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial 4 root 3 x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3. So we will use the splitting the middle term process. We'll get 4 root 3 x square. We can write 5x as, you have to get a common here as well as here when you combine. So here 5 can be written as 8 minus 3. So that this will become 3x minus 2 root 3. So that here also you will get a common, here also you will get a common. From these two, 8x minus 3x will give you 5x, right? Now from these two, what you can take out is 4 as well as x. So 4x taken out, remaining part is root 3 here, x here. Here you have 2, right? Now from these two, we can take negative sign. Just see, you have to get a root 3x in this term. So we will take out a root 3 from both the things. Root 3 into, this will become root 3. 3 is root 3 into root 3. So from root 3, if we have taken out, we will be left with root 3 again. So root 3x, this will become positive because you have taken out negative, plus 2. So what this will be giving you? Root 3x plus 2 is common for both, remaining is 4x minus root 3. Okay. So the question is, what are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial? In order to get the zeros, we have to equate them to 0. So that root 3x plus 2, this will be equal to 0 means either this is equal to 0 or 4x minus root 3 is equal to 0. So the zeros of the polynomial are x is equal to minus 2 by root 3 or x is equal to root 3 by 4, correct? So these are the zeros of the polynomial. A cylinder and a cone have base radii 5 cm and 3 cm respectively, and their respective heights are 4 cm and 8 cm. You have to find the ratio of their volumes. Okay, so first we will take, let R1 equal to R1 and H1 be of cylinder and of cone, R2 and H2. Okay, R1 and R2 be the radii of them respectively, means I am taking R1 as the radii of the cylinder, which is given to be 5 cm and height is given to be 4 cm. This is for the cylinder. Okay, and R2 and H2 I am taking for, this is 3 cm for the cone and the other one is 8 cm, and this is respectively of the cone. You have to find out the ratio of their volumes. Now what is the volume of the cylinder and what is the volume of the cone? Either you can do separately and then take the ratio, or we can write here itself the formula and take the values. Okay, what is the volume of the cylinder? It is pi r square h. So here you will get pi r square. For the cylinder I have taken r1. So r1 square h1 by volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So it is pi r2 square h2. This will get cancelled, 3 will come up, so it is 3 r1 square h1 by r2 square h2. Replacing the values, 3 into what is r1 square? 5 square into h1 is 4 divided by 3 square r square into 8. So after simplification you will get it to be 25 by 6. That means therefore the ratio of their volumes is 25 is to 6. Find the value of k for which the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square plus kx plus 8 equal to 0 will have equal roots. What is the condition for having equal roots? The discriminant should be equal to 0. That means the condition for equal roots is you should have b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. That is discriminant. Now here the equation is 2x square plus kx plus 8 equal to 0. That means a is comparing with the quadratic equation general form, you will get a is equal to 2, b is equal to k and c is equal to 8. So b square minus 4ac equal to 0 will give you k square minus 4 into a into c. That is k square, here you are getting 64. So that k square is equal to 64 or k is equal to plus or minus 8. The number of natural numbers between 101 and 999 which are divisible by both 2 and 5. Now when both 2 and 5 is asked, you have to take the terms or the numbers which are divisible by 2 into 5, which is 10. Okay, so you have to consider those natural numbers which are from 101 to 999 divisible by 10. So when it is divisible by 10, first number which will be starting from this, if we see, the first number will be 110, 120, 130, etc., and the last term will be 990. Right? Now you have to find out how many are there. N means, sorry, number of natural numbers means you have to find out what is n. Okay, now A is equal to, this is in AP, A is equal to 110, D is equal to again 10, and AN, that is the last term, you are getting it to be, nth term is 990. Now using the formula AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D will give you what is n is equal to. So AN is 990 is equal to A 110 plus n minus 1, n we don't know, into D is 10. So 110 plus 10n minus 10, this will give you 110 minus 10, 100 plus 10n is equal to 990, or 10n is equal to 890, that is n is equal to 89, right? And the ratio in which the y-axis divides the line segment joining the points -4, -6 and 10, 2. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. So let the ratio be k:1, and since it is on the y-axis, the coordinate will be of the form, and the point will be of the form, any point on the y-axis is of the form, what you will get, 0 comma something, right? And the point be 0 comma, either you take y or any other variable. Now I am just roughly drawing the figure. Suppose this is the point of division, -4, -6 and 10, 2. This is 0 comma y, and the ratio in which this point is dividing, suppose this is A and B, this is P. P is dividing the line segment AB in the ratio k:1. You have to find out k, that means the ratio also. First you should get the value of k, as well as you have to find out what is y equal to, or the coordinate. First coordinate will be 0, x coordinate is 0, you have to find out the y coordinate also. Okay, some people have got 2/√5, that is correct, Radhika. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to use the section formula. Okay, now by section formula what you will get, first coordinate will be k into 10, 10k plus 1 into -4, so that will give you -4 divided by k plus 1, and from here itself you can equate it to 0 and find out what is k, but I am just writing the coordinates because we need anyway the coordinates, right? If k is only asked, you can just take this and do. Since the coordinate is also asked, we will write the other coordinate. What is the next coordinate? It is 2k minus 6 by k plus 1. Okay, according to the section formula, this will be the point P. Now again P is given to be 0 comma y. Given to be means it is on the y-axis, so we have taken it as 0 comma y. Now equating these two, that is 10k minus 4 by k plus 1 will give you 0. Coordinates are equal when the corresponding elements are equal. So from here you will get 10k minus 4 is equal to 0, or k is equal to 4 by 10, which is 2/5. So what is the ratio then? The value of k is 2/5. Therefore the ratio is, if you are applying in k:1, you will get it to be 2/5:1, which is same as 2:5. So the ratio is 2:5. Now you have to find out the coordinate. For that you can take this one and replace the value of k as 2/5 in this. Okay, now the y coordinate is equal to 2k, k is 2/5 minus 6 divided by 2 by 5 plus 1. So here you are getting minus 6 will give you minus 30 divided by 5. That will be getting cancelled after taking the LCM. So here you will get 2 plus 7 in the denominator. So that this is minus, how much you will get, minus, this is, yes, minus 26 by, sorry, here you have 5, right? 7. Yes, therefore the point is 0 comma minus 26 by 7. Okay. In circumference, circumference of the circle means it is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to 22. So you are getting r is equal to 22 by 2 pi, right? Or you can say 22 by 2 into 22 by 7. So this will give you 7 by 2 centimeters as the radius of the circle. Therefore area of the circle is 38.5. Pi is into 7 by 2 square, right? 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. This will go here 11. Okay. 77 by, how much you are getting, 2. Okay, leave it like this, 77 by 2 centimeter square. Sine of a plus b is 1 and sine of a minus b is 1 by 2, with the condition that a plus b is lying in between 0, can have 0 value, and a plus b is equal to 90 degree. So in between these two values with equal to as 90 degree. And so you have to get a plus b as 90 when you are getting the value of a and b. You have to check, okay, and a is greater than b also. Find a and b. So sine of a plus b is equal to 1. Now you have to see that when you will get 1 for the angle of sine. Sine of which angle will give you 1. What is that angle? 90. Sine 90 is 1. So you will get a plus b as 90. And sine of a minus b is given to be 1 by 2. Which value of sine will give you 1 by 2? Sine of which angle? Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. So you will get a minus b as 30 degree. Now you have to solve these two using your elimination or any other method. Adding, you will get 2a is equal to 120 or a is equal to 60 degree. And from any of the equations you can find out what is b. You will get 90 minus 60, which is 30. You can just see a is 60 and b is 30. So a is greater than b. This condition is satisfied. And the other condition, that is a plus b is equal to 90, is also satisfied. Therefore this is the answer. Okay, a is equal to 60 and b is equal to 30 degrees. The cumulative frequency for finding out the median, we have cumulative frequency table. So here you will get 5, then add 20, add 30, then sorry, from 20, from 50. Okay, 20 plus 30 is 50, and then you will get 58, and this is 60. So this is what your cumulative frequency is. Now what you need, you have to find out or calculate what is n by 2. N by 2 will be 60 by 2, which is 30. Now after getting that value, you have to search the value in the cumulative frequency which is greater than this, greater than or equal to 30. You don't have any 30, so it is greater than 30, and you will get this cumulative frequency. So correspondingly you will go here, and this will give you your median class. Now what is the formula for finding out the median? Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by f into h. Now what is L? The lower limit of the median class. So L is equal to 20. Then n by 2 already you have found out, it is 30. Then what is f? Frequency is this, but what is this Cf? This Cf is nothing but the cumulative frequency of the preceding class of the median class. This is the median class, this is the preceding class. Here what you are getting, that is acting as the CF, and this is F. Okay, so you have F as 30, CF as 20, and H as, again it is a class interval size, which is 10. Now you have to just replace the values and find out the answer. 20 plus n by 2 is 30 minus CF is 20 divided by F is again 30 into 10. So you are getting 20 plus 10 by 30 into 10, or 20 plus 100 by 30, or 10 by 3. 20 plus 3.33, which is 23.33, right?